Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your TikTok date of birth into your TikTok account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to fix your wrong date of birth into TikTok, TikTok doesn't give any built-in option directly to change your date of birth. Now in this case, you just simply have to go into your TikTok setting, and after going into setting and privacy, you just simply have to scroll down at the bottom and you will get this report a problem into support and about. Click into that report a problem. Then after a short processing, it will load this interface into here. Just simply click into account and profile at top, and then you will get this editing profile option. And into editing profile options, now click into this other option, then click to need more help. After that, you just simply have to describe your issue into this box. Just simply write down, I can't change my date of birth, how to do that. And after writing down that, just simply click to this submit button, then your request will be submitted. Then you can fix your wrong date of birth into TikTok. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.